People keep blaming stress, right? It's a bad word. But did you know there's something called good stress? Yes. The name for good stress is called EU stress. EU for EU. What is that? And how does it help you? Have you ever figured out that there are times in life when you have a project, a deadline, and you haven't done anything for weeks? And as it sort of approaches closer, you suddenly then start to panic because you've got to do that. Well, you need a certain amount of stress sometimes in life to help you take action. But that's the good part. That's the good stress that helps you deliver, that helps you actually meet a challenge so that you stop procrastinating in life. When too much of it happens, then it becomes a problem. Because initially, what happens is that your brain detects this and actually it releases a certain amount of adrenaline. That adrenaline helps you perform. So long as it's for a limited period of time, it's fine. Because this is exactly what happened when you lived in the caves. If you were living in prehistoric times and you met a tiger, everything finished in 30 seconds to a minute. Or maybe 5 minutes max. Either you fought and won, or you ran, or you just got consumed. But when this stress is continued for a long period of time, it ends up releasing cortisol in your blood. This cortisol, when it's released in your blood, actually helps in damaging your system. It does so by thickening your arteries in your heart. It does so by sustained release of this can actually damage various organs. And that's when your system tends to break down. And that's when you have problems. So a little bit of stress is good for you. Too much of stress is not good. You better learn how to manage this. And you can do so in many ways. One is changing your perspective. Number two, learning to breathe deeply, because these mindful breaths actually help calm your amygdala down. It reduces the threat detection mechanism. And guess what? It's trainable. Just like you go to a gym to train yourself physically, you can change and train yourself mentally too. One bicep curl physically trains your physical muscle. One mindful breath trains your mental muscle. I'm Mudit. I'm a mindfulness expert and a leadership coach. As a mindfulness expert, I can help you pause in life so you can determine what's truly important. I can help you respond and not react. As a leadership coach, I can help you achieve your goals. I can help you 10x your income. If you like this content, book a call, let's have a conversation, and let's see what opens up.